Kule Ruaraka.
To the presiding priest, the bishop, His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Governor, and all the protocols observed, His Excellency, this is not the place to speak. Neither is it worthy of so many words. And so I will restrain myself as a senior-most member. But His Excellency, the bishop has inspired my heart. And is telling us prophecy. If when he looks ahead of him, he sees new things happening. And I'm also looking blindly, but I can also see good things happening, His Excellency. His Excellency, you are the founding member of ODM. This governor was not a member of ODM, but now he is in ODM. I am looking at it blindly, but as the Chief Justice of the People's President, I will look at all the articles and all the sections of the Constitution of ODM, which will make you become the member of ODM. Mrs. I have prophesied. Thank you, His Excellency the President. In the short period of time, I will look at that. Thank you very much.
Asante sana.